What's up, folks? This is Crypto with James talking to you today about Polkadot. There's been actually a surprising amount of news in the past sort of week and a half, 2 weeks about Polkadot. So I just wanted to cover what's been happening because there's been some good, like a big parachain launch, some really interesting data on Moonbeam, and some really interesting info on venture capitals. Before I get into that, as always, I update the spreadsheet. Just the first 26 coins I held, first 26 coins I spoke about on the channel. If you invested $100 into each of these when I release the videos and you're still holding all that crypto, you'd be in profit for over 38 grand. These coins are not what I hold anymore. And if you want to see the coins that I'm actually holding, you can come check out Copy My Crypto. It's where I share every coin I buy, every coin I sell, and how I'm preparing my portfolio given the sort of uncertainty in the market at the moment. So whether things go bullish or bearish, I am fine. And if you're not happy with sort of the way your portfolio is set up, given that we've never been in more uncertain times in Bitcoin's lifespan, then this might be something you want to check out because you can literally set up your portfolio in a similar way. And one thing I do reiterate, guys, build your spreadsheet, build your list of coins that you're really excited about, because long term, that is what you need to be looking at. When a bear cycle kicks in, if they've retraced a lot, but they're hitting their roadmap, they're making good partnerships, they can hit their targets and you can get 50x, 100x off of them. That's what I did with Phantom. And I've got a list of my own coins that I'm watching when I think when we're in full bear mode and there's massive retracements. I'm going to be sharing the coins I think of 50 to 100x. So if you want to know what they are, click the link in the description and check it out. All right, Polkadot. It's been struggling to break through $20 for quite a while. But this has probably been its best breakout in the past sort of month, to be fair. Yeah. So it's not looking too bad for Polkadot. There's a fair bit of resistance around $20, so we'll see how it goes. But there's a lot that's been happening. So Polkadot turns out is the biggest crypto held by venture capitals and hedge funds in Q4 of last year. Polkadot was the most commonly held altcoin last year. 24 out of 25 tracked funds had invested in it. After Polkadot, it was Oasis and Near Protocol that were the most commonly held assets. Obviously, the analysis didn't include Bitcoin or Ethereum, as everyone assumes that they're going to be in funds. But Polkadot, the most held altcoin by venture capitals, they tend to know what they're doing. The other thing as well is Polkadot's Moonbeam had shared its statistics. So they've had 3 million over 3 million transactions, over 200,000 wallets have been built as well. So Moonbeam is the first smart contracts platform for dApps on Polkadot's network. It's now 2 months old. Its engineers have shared a recap. So since its launch, Moonbeam has smashed through some major milestones. So first of all, the team estimates that its instruments have processed over 3 million transactions authorized by 200,000 active accounts so far. Moonbeam enthusiasts have locked up 92 million of the Moonbeam token into their staking module. That's the equivalent of around $225 million. There's already been over 30 projects integrated with Moonbeam. And EIP 1559 is now live on both Moonbeam and Moonriver. So it was launched in mainnet in January 2022, and it immediately rocketed to an all-time high of over $437 for one token upon listing, which was one thing one would expect. And Moonbeam is basically probably the biggest crypto that's launched on the Polkadot ecosystem. So other than Kusama, obviously, but hell of a statistics in the first 2 months effectively. That's pretty bloody impressive. And the last thing that's really intriguing, so Enjin Affinity has become the first NFT parachain on Polkadot. So at the end of 2021, Enjin's NFT project Affinity won Polkadot's last parachain auction for the year. Their fundraisers are made over $214 million worth of DOT. Affinity will go live this month. According to a document seen by Crypto Potato, Enjin's cross-chain NFT infrastructure has already launched the first ever non-fungible token parachain on the Polkadot network. Head of Peter Morick, who's head of public affairs at Parity Technologies, argued that the Polkadot community had met the initiative with excitement as Affinity delivers a scalable solution for NFTs that is affordable and environmentally responsible. So, Affinity, I've done quite a bit, to be fair, and that announced that they'll integrate crypto blades into their ecosystem, which has over 1 million active users already. They're also going to look at integrating Lost Relics, Swissborg, My Metaverse, and Age of Rust. The CEO of CryptoBlade said, Affinity will bring immediate value to users with native support for NFTs and a full suite of NFT gaming utilities developed by Enjin. Along with their play-to-earn title CryptoBlades, we're excited to make our NFT bridging curated marketplace and launchpad available via Affinity. So this is quite a big bloody deal. You know, the first NFT-based parachain on Polkadot. This could end up being really successful. In November as well, the Enjin established a $100 million fund that's sole focus is the metaverse realm. The initiative is going to focus on helping organizations deliver NFT projects on Affinity and Polkadot. They also disclosed it will deploy funds to support gaming projects across all platforms, extending to protocols in spaces including mixed reality. Again, very, very cool, and a really strong sign for not only Enjin's future, but Polkadot's. That parachain ecosystem within both Polkadot and Kusama now is enormous. And it's only going to continue to grow. It's really impressive what we're seeing from these projects. They're going for real innovation, and Enjin really having a sole focus on NFTs bodes really, really well. This could be highly successful because the NFTs are again gonna, we know we're gonna see NFT runs throughout the next year and 2 years and 3 years and 4 years. So Enjin could be well at the fore of that. So very, very cool. And like I said, it just bodes well long term for anyone that's holding Polkadot or anyone that's going to be investing in Polkadot, because its ecosystem grows at such a rapid rate with such strength of project. So not too bad, really. Venture capital firms, biggest altcoin holding, an NFT parachain, Moonbeam, up and running for 2 months and processed already over 3 million transactions. Very, very good news for anyone in this Polkadot ecosystem. And that's it from me. I just wanted to run through some recent news because, yeah, things are looking good for crypto at the moment as well. It's nice to see. We've had a pretty positive day so far, and under the assumption that nothing goes crazy wrong in Ukraine or any worse or dramatically worse in Ukraine, we should see a decent weekend for the markets. But let's see. Anyway, that's it from me. If you are new to crypto or you've been in crypto a while and you're not happy with the balance of your portfolio, come check out Copy My Cryptos, where I share every coin I buy, every coin I sell, how I'm developing my portfolio, how I'm balancing my portfolio in a time of complete uncertainty. I'm also going to be sharing the coins that I think can do 50 to 100 X's when that bear cycle fully kicks in, because we know we're not in a full bear cycle. Anyone that says we are is wrong. Just not. We've not had the levels of retracements that we've had in the past, and I'm not sure we're going to have that same depth of retracement like we've previously seen, but we're still going to have more than what we have seen so far. So there's still down the line this year more way deeper correction due, and when that happens, there's going to be some real opportunities in the market. So like I said, build that list of coins, because you should always have that. And that is it. Take care, guys. Bye bye.